Yep. Hey. Go this way. Go this way. You can go this way. Right here. It's shallower right here. You're gonna walk right through the hole. That's right where we're fishing, bud. Come this way. It's shallow. It's shallow right here. You walk right on the bank. Like right up here. Thank you.
Too much fish.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, come up here. Oh, right here. Come right here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, yeah. That's why I want to scare them. One.
One?
Yeah, yep. That's all right. Hey, go this way. We're fishing right there. Go this way. Yeah. See all the fish?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you walk through there, you'll scare them.
Oh.
Thank you. Appreciate it. It's all right. That's a big fish. This thing is not done yet. It's a big fish. Yeah. Probably.
Yeah.
It's good size. I don't think he's done yet though.
No,
Nope, I was dumb and doing that. I'll get him though.
you go outside.
Yeah, I'll get him.
Too much water.
Yep. I'll get him. He's a big one. Oh, watch your legs. Just tire him out. Alright, watch out. There it comes. There it comes. That is a big fish. That is a really big fish. Look at that thing. Cool. Look, there's a hook right there, buddy. I'm going to save you from. That's not my hook. I'm going to help you out. This is exactly what you don't. You guys are walking right through the hole. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Why would you guys walk through where all the fish are at? I don't get it. Okay? I mean, I just don't understand why you guys keep walking where where everybody's fishing. All right. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Thank you. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh my gosh, dude, get the fuck away from me. Someone's gonna get wet. I ain't got no fucking patience for that shit. Like zero. You wanna fucking snag fish, go somewhere else. I am definitely going to put those guys on blast. Oh my god. My patience is very, very low. It's okay. It's alright. They're wearing fucking flip-flops, for fuck's sakes. Kidding me? 3 treble hooks on their fucking line. 3. I'm gonna be patient and oh god, here they come back. I am going to get in a fucking fight, I can tell you that right now. I'm not.
Look at big fish.
Honest to God.
Yeah, really.
I just can't. I just can't do it anymore. Of course, why not? It's only been 3 times I asked you not to walk through the fucking fish, but go the fuck ahead. Go ahead. Because you're going to do whatever the fuck you want anyway. Unfucking real. Because you can't walk through here, right, and go down that way. Unfucking believable. I got fucking patience for you guys.
Thank you for holding. Good afternoon, Fish and Boat Commission. Tracy speaking.
Hi, Tracy. Tracy, I'm actually fishing. There's a mess of individuals here just snagging fish purposely left and right. I didn't know who I should call.
Okay, I will reach out to my WCO in that area. Can I get your phone number in case he has any questions for you?
Sure. All right, let's see if that helps because they just ripped out. I don't know how many fish down there. Got to do something. This guy's snagging fish. We all have to do something. We have to do our part. So that's how I spend my day. I'm just so like deflated. I really don't even want to fish now. I don't even know what to do or say or watch this guy just ripping, just snagging them. There you go. Yeah, just snagging them as fast as he can. I just don't know. Honestly, you guys seen me on camera. I caught fish. I mean, if you put effort in and you fish the hole with actual bait, the way these fish are running up fresh out of the mouth, or the creek there, or the mouth of the lake, yeah, you actually might catch one. I just don't know. Trying not to be negative. I don't even know if I want to fish anymore. If you guys see something, you gotta say something. If you're a true steelhead fisherman or any sportsman outdoors, and you have illegal activity going on like this, and you guys are hunting and fishing the right way, putting the effort in, the time, and all that, it's our duty to turn these people in. I mean, I don't think the camera can see it, but they're down there. They have 3 treble hooks on their line, no bait, and they're just snagging them left and right out of those holes down there. Water was high the other day. Right now it's getting clear so they can see them, and just snagging them out. They're in flip-flops. I don't know. Okay. I just, the fish are literally coming up the creek all day, constant. So you literally have fresh fish to try to catch in here. Hello. Good, how are you doing? Good. Hey, I just want to let you know, I'm just north of, right off the bridge, probably 100 yards to the north from the bridge. There's like 3, they got 3 treble hooks on their line. They're just snagging fish left and right. Yeah. I don't know what they're driving. They left for a while, they had some fish, and then they just now came back, and they're just north of me, and they're just ripping them out of the hole and dragging them to the bank. I think the one guy has like a backpack and he's stuffing them in his backpack, but I don't know what they were driving. Like I said, he has a backpack. One guy's carrying him. I don't know how many he had in there. But I seen him catch one down the bank here, and it looked like the guy took his backpack off, and I couldn't see because there's some weeds down there, but I don't know if he's putting them in his backpack. But they're walking right through the holes. I'm using my GoPro. I always record. There's this guy right next to me right now. He's just ripping them too. He's literally just, I mean, it's so bad. He's like hooking one on the side like every 2 minutes. It's so frustrating. But yeah, they're just north of me. They're pulling in another one right now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this guy. Yeah. So you got 3. The guy next to me has like a. I'm just gonna flat out. Cause I'm irritated, so I don't have a problem calling these people out. So I asked him what he was using. Yeah, sure. Well, you got another one. How many you got so far? Is this your last one? That one's hooked in the tail though, bud.
Huh?
That one's hooked in the tail. No? Yeah, that's the tail. Say that again?
It's not with the tail.
That's not the tail? Oh, okay. All right. So we got to catch fish legally.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
You want to see the picture?
I'm standing right here, and also I'm recording it. I can see what's going on here.
Okay.
All right.
Show you something.
You gonna show me something?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name, partner?
My name?
Yeah. What'd you do, record that catch? Is that what you're gonna show me? No, I ain't worried about the one you caught earlier. I'm talking about the one you just caught now.
Oh, what's that?
Yeah, that's a nice picture.
Okay.
That's a picture of a fish with a lure in its mouth. Yeah, what I'm saying is
When I catch illegal, I release.
okay,
You
but but even if you catch it illegally and release it, which I appreciate you doing, you can't purposely catch them that way. Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you never know. Water is water, and you catch. Sometimes you bite, sometimes you catch with the body, and you have to release, right?
Yes, but you should really try your best to catch
That's I
them
try
legally. Is
the
what I'm
best
trying to
that I
say
can.
to you.
Sometimes
Okay.
I show you pictures,
Right. Very good.
all right?
Okay.
Okay, Inspector.
Okay. All right. So there's just major issues. I think I'm just going to take off before I end up saying. What's that?
I just fucking fly.
You lost it. Okay, well, I hope you have another one of those magic baits. Yeah. Oh my God. What's that?
Can you make a picture?
I don't have a camera. I'm just so frustrated. Take a picture for me. Take picture for me? What do you mean take picture for me? Snagging fish. Catch some? How many catch? Yeah, caught some? Yeah, nice. How many?
2.
2? Oh, okay, cool.